Probably many of you use such solar lamps. That is, these are one of the most inexpensive and affordable lamps, create comfort in your garden or vegetable garden. On average, these lights last about 2 seasons, maybe even less, and after they stopped burning, I threw them away. Then I wondered what was going wrong with them, and I decided to try them, repair them on my own, and today I will show you how it can be done right away. Looking ahead a little, I'll say what I can do with this. Well, almost everyone, a housewife and even a child, removes the cover. The cover is removed through the gate with such a half turn and it is pulled out. That is, we remove this part, we don't need it. So the first thing to check that the lamp is not working, you need to directly charge it slightly, charge it at home. Very simple actually. For this you will need either a lantern, a lamp or some kind of lamp. So I prepared a flashlight like this. I will support the flashlight turned on and point it at the sun. We supported the panel for about a minute and now we put the lamp so that our solar panel is covered. It can also be done by hand. You see, the LED didn't light up, didn't even blink. This means that the problem is really not with this next action. We unscrew 4 self-tapping screws on the back panel. That is, I have already prepared 3, unscrewed them, and now the last one is left. For this you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. And raise the panel. All this needs to be done carefully because the wires are here. Soldered on 2 lamps. I acted also on the back, unscrewed the Moresi. And he did. But here you can see the problem right away. These are rusty contacts here. That is, they are completely rusted. You need to bend them slightly like this and take out the battery. Here is the battery. We took out the battery, which is also rusty. We will try to clean the contacts and then see if it will work or not. In order for us to remove it, we simply need to either clean the rust with a knife or sandpaper. Also, our battery is also rusty, so I solved it. Sanding sponge. Slightly clean the place where it makes contact. The most common breakdown is simply rusty contacts that need to be cleaned and preferably lubricated with some kind of liquid. Well, it's like D40. Next, I insert the battery. I also cleaned the battery. So, let's look. The LED has already shown that it is working. Now the lamp needs to be assembled and charged. It will work. Well, in order to finally make sure whether our battery charging works, also with the help of an LED light, we will support for about minutes. So we turn it over. As you can see, our solar panel is working. The battery is taking charge. That is, we have repaired this lamp. We go to the next lamp. Externally, there is no damage here. The contacts are clean. After recharging with a flashlight, nothing happened to us, and there is a suspicion that the problem is in the battery itself. To check if this is really the case, we are going to need, well, if you don't have a spare battery, then you can take it from the remote, take out a finger battery and install it here. I have a battery, so we are installing another battery. That's if. And also now try to charge it with a flashlight. If you have a battery, then the battery, charged in principle, does not need to charge anything. It will immediately show. But be careful of the battery. Using such lamps is simply useless because it will discharge and you will no longer charge it. That is, the solar panel does not charge the battery, so you will need to buy it simply on the marketplace. Spare batteries and your lamp will last for some time. Well, now we will check it using a flashlight. So we checked using a flashlight. As you can see, everything works in example 2 lamps. I showed you 2 main problems. One problem is oxidized contacts. You can clean them and install the battery further and charging will start. And 2 problem, when the battery fails, it can also be replaced. You can buy it in the marketplace. All the other problems there already need to be soldered. Who knows how? Of course, if you don't know how and don't want to, of course you can buy a new lamp. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. But for today, I have everything for now.